satisfied. My weakness comes and goes. My weakness comes and goes. I'm reaching out for the easy high. Please fortify this strength of mine. My weakness comes and goes. My weakness comes and goes.
Sorry, you're gonna have to wait another 3 minutes and 26 seconds. The greatest song just came on. In fact, give me another minute. Oh wait, let me turn my mic.
Give me another minute. When the chorus is done, I'll come back.
My weakness comes and goes. I'm reaching out for the easy high. Please fortify this strength of mine. My weakness comes and goes. My weakness comes and goes.
Alright, I'm sorry guys, I'm sorry. The chorus is over now, I'm sorry. I had to hear that. I had to. Guys, let's be real, okay? This Love by Maroon 5 is nothing but gas. Nothing but gas. Nothing but gas. I'm just being so honest. Anyways. Can I have DC gift perms? No. Currently the gift perms are on. Dang it! It's GIF, guys. GIF perms are unattainable at this current point in time. Because Arcane is not on the server anymore. Okay, guys. Let's start dogging. Guys, it's Jif. It's Jif, like the peanut butter. Like Jiffy. It's like Jif. Guys, the Willite guy, the Steve guy that made the name Jif said it has a soft G and it's pronounced Jif. The guy said that himself. We're not arguing about this. The Willite guy said it himself. Alright guys, so this is for a video. So do we have chat on the screen for the video? I mean, basically the story behind this video is I'm like, this is me. I'm a Roblox developer. Or it's gonna be like, and I have yet to make a good game in an hour. Like, I have yet to complete this challenge, basically. It's like calling Jaffa cakes biscuits. They're cakes, it's in the name. Dude, nobody calls a cookie a biscuit, though. It's just like a British thing. You wanna be in the video? Your chat will be in the video. Do roguelike? What is that? Make a Halloween game. I just need some ideas. So guys, this will be in a, are we serious? Yes, I'm serious. Bass? You there, buddy? Angry Cows, turn up your volume. Sorry. Oh, I want to help. Sorry. You can help, guys. by giving suggestions. Because right now we don't have a game idea. I don't know what a roguelike game... No, I don't. It's like Zombie Rush with noobs. Yeah, we already made a game like that before. Football game? I can't make a football game in an hour. It's called Project Madden. Especially not Project Madden in an hour. Go look up roguelike right now. Roguelike. A subgenre of role-playing games that features procedurally generated levels, permanent death. Looks like Mario? This reminds me a lot of Mario. Boo! Dude, what the freak? What is with this negativity? Shut up, you Megatron. Guys. Guys! Guys. It's something Angry Cats would say. Three clanker. Oh crap. Do my idea? No, bro. I'm not doing a. We could do a game where you permanently die once you die. That might not be a bad idea. I stream. You're a killer in a town and you gotta complete kills to get all endings and win. And the chat is the people. That's gonna take more than an hour. The stream is low-key mid now because I don't want to do a roguelike game. It's alright, we all have our opinions. Noob developer. Alright, why don't you give me an idea then, Epic? Guys, I'm not doing Squid Game jump rope. You got a title idea? Okay, I'm ready. End stream. Just close the tab, bro. Zombie break-in. Basically jailbreak. But it's zombies. A Halloween gun game. Go up a hill with different models hurling down. And when you go to the top, you get money and you can spend it on stuff to knock down other players. What? Cheese racing. Make a PvP wizard duel fight. What about that? Yeah, I can make that in like a day, not an hour. I've never made like a game where you have like superpowers. Like a wizard, I've never made that before. I've never made like an anime game. Search up Oh! You're talking about the National Cheese Rolling Competition! Dude, I was there. I won. No, I'm kidding. You break in houses to get a mansion and improve your family. Wrong. Okay, that's just like... I don't know. That Racers vs. Police AI, good one. Give me 5 minutes space. I think I can make that in the game. I think I can make that in an hour, to be honest. But it's already a thing. So we need a game idea generator. We need the game idea generator that has helped us through all these challenges. Give me 5 minutes, mate. Is this the best fade? This is the best fade, you nugget. No, no game generator. Oops. This is a different one. Look at this. This one is different. Okay. Okay. No, I don't want to donate. How do I get out of this? Generate. Okay. Okay. A thrilling game about environmentalism set on a floating island where you play as a pirate to defeat the boss. Ah, hell no. Horrible idea. horrendous idea. Do a national cheese rolling competition? Dude, I'm gonna do an IRL. You're not gonna listen to any of our ideas. I'm literally listening to all the ideas, and so far, I can't make them in an hour. Like, you want me to make this Hogwarts game in an hour? Guys, I'm not doing LGBTQ Tycoon. Okay, fine. I'll bring back the old game generator, okay? I'm bringing it back. Okay? I love beavers, okay? Everybody loves this guy, okay? In fact, I'm even gonna donate him 5 Robux right now. Ignore this number. Okay, see? 5 Robux just for this guy. Jeez. Shouldn't it be too hard? Dude, tycoons are too easy. I would not make a tycoon in... I'd make it like 10 minutes. Realistically. And too boring. I could make cheese rolling in an hour, but you would have to like do weird physics with it, no? Make a big tycoon. Oh. So you think I'm a builder. Alright. Guys, are we doing the game idea? 9 p.m. pumpkin horror. I need, like, what is it about? So the wild card is only if we're bored. Or if we're, the wild card is only if we, have extra time, by the way. To anybody curious. It's called, okay, but then I make the hill, the cheese, the round system. And it's just RNG from there. Boring game. Alright, I think everybody knows I think everybody knows how this works. I'm gonna auto click on each one of these. When I say now, the first person to say the word stop, whoever says stop, I'll stop it, and that's what we have to build off of, okay? Uncreative. Epic. Give me a game idea. No. I never did anything. I'm waiting for Epic's game idea real quick. Uncreative, he says. Alright. We're spinning it. Alright, ready? Alright, now. Next person to say stop. I'm ready. Bang. Kitty plays. Theme park. Rap, I have an hour. Guys, I have an hour. Can I click this? Guys, wild card, if I click this once, I have to do whatever it is. No reskips. I have to do it, but it's just a wild card. I have to. Wildcard LGBTQ. If the environment is LGBTQ, I'll build LGBTQ. Seriously. You have to do wildcard. Okay, how about I spin everything first, and then once I get to the wildcard, I decide if I want to respin environment or not. How does that sound? I think we'll do that. Good? Splendid. Alright, this is my timer, by the way. Anybody curious? I'm gonna just need to get this ready. Hold on. Alright. So I gotta make sure it looks good when it's running. Alright. Spin, goal, and rule. Yeah, give me a second. Where'd it go? No, where did my timer go? Alright, we're gonna spin the next one. Ready? Go. Oh gosh. Okay, Night Warrior should stop. Kill all enemies. Okay. I can do this! See, Night Warrior didn't get the memo of letting me stream for an infinite amount of time. Dibs on being an enemy. It's just, I just haven't decided yet, but okay. He didn't say stop, he did. Kill all enemies. That's rough. Bro, can it please give me the timer? Why? Where is... Okay, this is gonna PMO. Okay. Okay. Alright, go! Everything has a cost. Alright, perfect. That's fine. Everything has a cost. That's great. I can make one of... Bro, why can't I put this on here? No, this is good. This is good stuff. Dude, why can't I get my timer up here? Alright, last one. Go. Alright. Hopefully they don't team up here. Bang, Vaughn said it. Alright! Magic gay abilities, bro. Are we serious right now? Like, what am I supposed to do? What am I supposed to do? Frostbite, no bones. Guys, I really just want a respin environment. The only thing that's stopping me from re-spinning environment is wand. That's my auto clicker. Can you guys see this? Okay, there's my auto clicker. Oh. This is my Roblox. This is my chat. But no Google. Great. Guys, unfortunately this is for a video, so I'm respinning it. Alright? I'm respinning. So, it's for a video, but I don't care. There's two things that we can get out of this. I can either not take this for a video and do this idea. Dude, why did that noise play? Sorry, I'm mad. I can either not do this for a video, but do this idea, or I can respin environment until we have a good idea. It looks like it was made by the game. There's no in between. I can't look like a loser on stream. Make a poll. Alright, fine. Fine! Guys, I'm throwing in a wild ball there. We're respinning both, possibly. Let's see. I know Wanda's gonna say no, but I feel like majority should say yes. Okay, never mind. You know what? I never even streamed, or I never even pinged my server. Everyone. Oh my gosh, bro. Guys, I can't do this in an hour. I can't. Either the video is staged, or I just fail this instantly. Bro, why is he inviting me to LGBTQ hangouts? I'm not staging a video. Make a find the game? No, those are outdated. What's up, If Sharks and Hello Sprays? Really, nothing out of this, huh? Guys, how are we like this? Come on. Okay. Okay. I need to make a new poll. Because, you know... respin. You know what? I need to take out the wild card part. Stop with the polls. Juan, just close the tab, bro. I make like 100 of them a day. Yeah, but they're outdated. Hello, everybody. What's up, Bruno? What's up, Nice? Guys, vote on the poll that you see. I really gotta respin this. I really can't make this in an hour. Well, a good game is popping off right now. Nice. Ah! A Growa game is... Yeah, I know, but... Nobody suggested one, so... One more game. Alright, I don't care what this is. Oh, I don't have my auto clicker on. L1, you could stay mad all you want. I don't care what this is. Whatever this is, when I say go and first person to say stop, apparently Angry Cow doesn't want anyone to say stop, so I'm just streaming forever. But when I say go, whatever it is, I'll stop my auto clicker and I have to build it. When I say go, alright? Go. Someone's gotta say it. Someone's gotta say it. Come on. There's no way this plan works. There's no way. There's no way. What would you rather, restart the world or live with dinosaurs? Oh, dang, Chimp. Nah, Chimp got it out for gaming crunches. I would rather probably live with dinosaurs. I like my life. What was the word again? The word was stop. All you have to say is stop. Guys, Blue Moon doesn't know the plan. Blue Moon doesn't know. Blue Moon doesn't know. Blue Moon doesn't know. Please, speed. I need this. Guys, how have we been here for like a minute or two already? Why is this working? Wait, this is actually good content for the video, guys. Keep this up. Why? Dude, stop inviting me to steal a furry. Pots. Sugar, we're revolting. No, this is just more content right now, so keep going. Guys! Guys, someone, please! Please, speed! If I never stop? Guys, I think that counts. He said the word stop. Juan said if we never stop. I think that counts. Oh, wait, I missed it. Fine, I'll do it myself. No one's... Has to be only the word. Fine, I'll do it myself. Oh, I'm getting sued. Alright. Oh, guys, somebody joined the stream named Cameron Dweller. I wonder who Cameron Dweller is. Oh, what's up, James Craft? I wonder who Cameron Dweller is. James Craft, I'm doing good. I'm just spinning this till someone says stop, and we've been going for about 5 minutes, and chat is doing their best. No! Chat is doing their best to not hit, not say stop. They're clip farming right now, so. Stop! Thank you! Castle! Bro, I'd rather do theme park. Actually, no, it's fine. You gotta defend the castle. That's fine. Whatever it is. This is fine. Yeah, you just can't. Thank you for subscribing, James. That actually means a lot. Thank you so much. Yo, we just can't time someone out for saying the word stop. That's gotta be abuse. Hey guys, for the hell of it, should we just respin wild card? For the hell of it. Don't respin that. No. Yeah, no, you're right. Okay, so we have to kill all enemies and everything is a cost. Everything has a cost. Okay, what does it mean everything has a cost? Make me an enemy? No. Dude, why do we always do these zombie games, bro? These are so annoying. Like last time we made this zombie game and it didn't work out. Who said it has to be zombies? And it's always some sort of defending from enemies. Where's the game? Core Protect. It doesn't have to be zombies. But I know I picked it to the randomizer, okay? Oh. But last time we did this boring game. Oh shoot. I'm gonna call it. Hold on, guys. Guys, what if we did a game where you have like a hallway and there's one door. All the other doors, like, they'll kill you or they'll do random things, but there's just one door where you're oh wait, I should get rid of the I Like Fart Simulator. No! Guys! I just deleted the scene with everything in it. Yeah. I never said it was a background. Okay, can you hear me now? It wasn't a bathroom break, it was just... Agent Cyberplays called me, so I picked up. And ChatGPT gave me the freaking idea of doing it, so you know what? I don't see an issue in it. I'm not seeing an issue. It's a good game. It's a good game idea, and I'm not seeing the issue in it. Sue him? Close the tab, buddy. AI is bad for the environment, I know, but... You know. Filing a lawsuit? Guys, just close the tab, bro. Just close the tab. So the idea is, you're in a long hallway with a bunch of doors. And you're just in like a big facility or something. Like just a big thing, and just like only one door opens to the exit, and last one to get it is like loses or something. First one to get it, like, you get money, and then you get like upgrades and stuff. Stop yapping, just close the tab, bro. Just close the tab. Guys, we gotta get an idea in the next 2 minutes or I can't do a game. I have no ideas, and this stupid game generator has sold me for the last time. I'm sick of this. I'm sick of I'm sick of these streams. I'm sick of the ideas I get from these streams. I'm sick of it all. Okay. I'm sick of the shooting zombies games. I'm sick of these stupid ideas you guys are giving me in chat. I'm sick of these 1 hour streams. We're done. I'm never doing a 1 hour stream again. I'm never making this another vote. I think next time, a safer option is a game about hot dogs, bro. I don't even have my soundboard anymore because I deleted my old soundboard. But I think it's a very valid crash out. A lot of people said we should continue the Uber game. Oh my gosh, I got an idea, guys. What time is it? I'll be done at 6:30. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, there's a game that's called... Oh, what's that one Mario game? It's like Donkey Kong what? It's a Donkey Kong game. You have to, you push down on something and it's like dynamite. It's like a game mode. I don't know if it's a whole game. I think it's a game mode. You press down on it, and only one randomly explodes. Not Minesweeper. Bowser's Big Blast. It's not Donkey Kong. Bowser's Big Blast. This. Oh, I'm done. I'm gone. Turtle Man from Plumber Games Big Blast. You took too long? Bro. We all agree on this game. I can make this in an hour, easily. I could crank it out right now. Okay. You're fine with this? Okay. It almost took an hour to start. Yeah, and your negative comments don't help. How about you gotta eat the right hot dog? We're not gonna do the hot dog game today. It's been 40 minutes. Chill out. I know. I'm sorry. I'm crashing out right now. I haven't. I'm so hangry, bro. I'm so hangry. I'm gonna keep it a buck. All right, ready? 3, 2, 3, 2, 1. Bang. Okay. An hour officially starts. We gotta start measuring the player out here, so we can make kind of a staircase like this. It'll only go up about 5 steps. What's up, Rushy RBLX? So it'll kind of be like this. And this is a wedge, I suppose. Like this. I would show the reference I'm looking at, but unfortunately, Nintendo's gonna come for me, so I can't. So it's like this, and then right here, it's kind of. I'm not gonna get sued for this game mode. They don't own the right to a concept. They don't have a game mode copyrighted. If so, then Jandel would have copyrighted Grow a Garden, I'm sure. Sheila Brainrot would have been copyrighted. Fortnite would be copyrighted. Like, you can't own a concept. It's called imagination. Okay. I gotta do some elite calculations. Calc. Okay, 8 minus 2 times 180. Okay, divided by 8. Okay, so each of these are 135. So if we do... No. Ugh. But I'm giving out ideas to be safe. Sorry. Now I was interrupting my live stream. I'm sorry. What are the angles? These are 135, right? Yeah, it is. Good math by the kid, huh? Okay, so now we have a hexagon. This is where the bomb is gonna lay. Sort of. So the bomb will be like right here. And we'll just use gap fill to fill the gaps. And hopefully that makes sense why we're using gap fill to fill the gaps. If anybody's curious, and we can just remove the edges off of this. So we don't really. Oh, never mind. We need them. And then you got a game idea? Yeah, we got a game idea. I'm scared to say the name of it because of who owns it. Because the name specifically is from a company. With the Italian plumber. Okay. See if we can get like dynamite. Okay, let's see if we can get a bomb. Bomb. Oh my gosh. More specifically, a bomb. Bro, like I'm just typing. I'm not putting him in the game. I'm just gonna put a bomb. I would get. Damn, I would get sued if I did that. Something like spleef? We already have our idea, Blue Moon. Thank you, though. I wouldn't want to be the bomb. Okay, so we need something that'll ignite the dynamite. So how this is gonna kind of work, I guess we could have a lighter. The game idea is search up, okay, so from like, you guys know the Italian plumber with red, right? The red Italian plumber, that. You know that turtle guy? Search up the turtle guy's name, and then big blast. That's kind of what we're creating. Oh wait, I could just use this. No. No, I don't want to do that. Who turns on the lighter? But it has to be like wires. Like one of these has that. It's like a connection. Like these is kind of like connect all into a cable, and maybe it flips off a lighter. So maybe we could do a lighter. Or please just let me type here. So we could do a lighter, kind of like this, and then it'll ignite. You won't be able to see this roll, but it'll ignite. And we can make an attachment. What's up, Z-Sui? The game is like, basically don't press the wrong button sort of deal. It's similar to that. So we'll kind of have like a fire effect. And then it'll kind of be like this, but a little bit smaller. Because this kind of looks weird. Yeah. Maybe we could just put fire. Literally just real fire on it. And then we'll just make this heat and size like very small. Or maybe we can make the heat longer. But we'll make the size like 0.5. Or 1. Or I can't make it smaller than this? Okay. That's fine. So it'll kind of be like this. And then time scale like 0.5. You're watching the flash, it's fine. Okay, so it'll kind of be like this. And then this will be the fire that will enable and disable. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna put like a red wire here. That's like a cylinder. And then it'll kind of be like, let's see if we can get this right on Archimedes. Maybe not. Maybe what we'll do is we'll connect it like this. Wait, do I still have that rope plugin? I think I uninstalled it. Nope. Okay. You hate ads? I'm sorry. Okay, we're only about 10 minutes in and we're low-key locked. Okay. So now this is kind of... We'll kind of go like this. This is all unanchored. I know. I know. Okay, we're kind of gonna go for like this color here. And then that's like the main color. We need like another color to contrast this. And we do have to move this all down, unfortunately. What should contrast this? Heavy 3K, thank you. Make a gray wood for the stairs. You're right, you're right. Yeah, that's kind of fire, actually. So, get it, guys, fire. Okay, so, I think it should be like this. And, hello, not rice, by the way. And then I feel like we should just have wood. Like, I feel like we could have this here. We could have, like, this here. This, we could kind of put like this. But I feel like the rest of this should be here, wood. I just want to see how this looks. I just want to see how this looks. That's not even bad. That isn't horrendous. Looks way too modern. Well, it's not supposed to look like it's from the 1800s. You know, it's supposed to be a little modernized. We could change the wood, though. But if we changed the wood, what would we change it to? Change it, please? Well, okay, I'm gonna ask this again. If we change the wood, what would we change it to? Make it concrete? Bro, like, what do you mean GG's? Like, we're going strong. Okay, we'll try concrete. Okay, we can do concrete. Concrete isn't horrendous, but the color is. Make it a little bit brighter. Maybe it's better dark. It's too gray. Okay. My apologies. I mean, in the game, this is like a bright blue. This is like this color in the game. Right here. This is the color it is in the game. And it's... like this. Supposed to be vibrant? Well, it isn't... Oh. It's not supposed to be a direct ripoff of the game mode. I'm trying to make like my own spin-off of it. You know what I mean? You can go for a darker color like this. And try it dark like this. Yeah, I'm not making this red. Why are you using that material instead? Okay, you know what? Let's just like dump. I'm just gonna use snow. And then we're gonna change the color on this. Snow looks more like concrete than concrete does. So we'll just go. This is the coloring. I don't know. Is there anything wrong with this coloring to anyone? Add a neon trim. I don't mind that idea. We could do that. Around the inside of the stairs. I like that. I like that. What do you mean too gray? This is too gray? Guys, I'm trying not to spend the whole time on building. Okay, is that better? We're at the 46 minute. No, thank you. Thank you. This is what I need, constant updates. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Make the dynamite less red. I can't color the dynamite. So the dynamite's stuck how it is. We just forgot to make. No, I didn't. Okay, so I guess this is fine. It's not ideal, I suppose. It kind of looks ugly, but let's just make the things that you push. The individual parts can be colored. No, they can't. It's a mesh. Okay, we're just gonna make this big for now. Bruh? What do you mean, bruh? You hate meshes? Sorry. What's up, purple guy? Welcome to the stream. Welcome to the challenge. Your final challenge. Those who know. More like those who snow. Right, guys? Alright, so like for this one, we'll make it like this. And we'll union it, and then we will get a cylinder somewhere at the top. Use the bezel plugin. I don't have that plugin. Ugh. Okay, this has to be like this. So it'll be like this. Then it'll be like this. And this will also match the color. So it'll look something like this. This is what is going to cause it to sort of go off. This isn't even horrendous. This ain't even that bad. Alright, so this is kind of what it's gonna be. So you'll have probably like 5-ish players. You'll have red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. So let's change these colors real quick. Orange. Make the handle red. It is red. Yellow. But like a darker yellow. Green. Blue. Yo, Egercast, I swear, bro. And purple. Kind of like a this purple. Okay. Hierarchy collapse. Okay, so this is kind of how this works. Bowser's. Yo, purple guy knows what's up, bro. Yo, actually, guys, purple guy actually knows what's up. What a dog. He's the only person who knows what I'm talking about when I said this game. Okay. So Okay, this is kind of how it is. So does the copyright claim from Nintendo? Dude, I can't get copyright claimed for a concept. That's like if I thought about the not the Pepsi color. Like, that's like if I thought about the color of I think the Coke color is copyrighted. That's like if I thought about that color. Like, I'm gonna get in trouble. Like, no, I'm not gonna get in trouble for having a brainwave. They don't own the concept. You know, Red Bull doesn't own the concept of energy drink. You catch my drift? No, I can't explain the color blue to you. Explaining colors makes no sense. Okay. I don't know what the floor color is going to be. Maybe we'll do like a carpet. I don't know why. The walls, we can do like... Sure. There's really no good textures. Alright, we could do plaster. Okay. Okay, well, you're never going to see the ceiling, so it doesn't really matter what we put up here. We're going to go for tiles, though. Dude, there's no good textures. Might as well just stick diamond plate. What's up, the real HUD? Welcome. Might as well just stick it like this, but make this a little bit darker. Okay, so how this is gonna work? Let's anchor everything now. You got some advice if I want a viral game? Sure. Let me hear it. Let me get this as well. So we need some scriptable elements. I need better images, thumbnails. You know, yeah, I know. Thumbnails. Thumbnails are very important. I have less than 30 minutes to script. That's fine. Pump. Little pumps. And then each one of these will have their own thing. Guys, the timer, like, I don't know why we're freaking out right now. I have so much time left. I don't know, you guys, this is like... This is not good. Why are we freaking out? Okay. Pose part. He needs to go with the steal something idea or whatever. Well, I don't usually, like, my stream projects, they're not to go viral. They're for the love of the game. It's for the love of development. My off-stream projects are obviously everybody's intent with making a game. And now we can give them, maybe we'll have it stored in the game actually. So we'll have one camera part, and we need a decal on the face because Roblox removed the feature to see the front. Okay. So we'll need a camera part like this. So it'll kind of be like this. A little bit backed up. Affect the player when it dies. Also dev products. I guess. Camera type, enum, camera type, scriptable. So that'll set the camera in, like, place? Really? What happened to the stream audio? My mic goes out randomly. Couldn't tell you why, it just does that. Really? Dude, this guy's gotta stop inviting me to LGBTQ hangout. And Camp Part is a valid member of Workspace. There we go. Okay, there we go. So this is how it's gonna look. We need a lighting plugin. It's here somewhere. What, Mom? I'm streaming. Okay, this is actually not bad. This looks like the exact same lighting we have. Yo, none of these are good. This is the best we got. Bro, none of these are good. This is actually bad. Oh. Okay, wait, I actually have an idea. Wait. I actually have an idea. I don't know if this is like a good idea or not, but I have an idea. I'm so locked. Wait. Sorry. What is this? Oh, dynamite. What did he say? I like the black void. Yeah, and I have an idea. I want to do a light. Okay. So now we're gonna give a random pump So we're actually gonna make the game system now. And we have 30 minutes left. Great. I'm not even recording. Oh my gosh, my recording ended. Anyways, we're gonna say pumps. It's workspace with the child. Pumps. And we're gonna say function randomize. Thought I've been. Yeah, I'll just download the stream. It's fine. I'll just download the stream. We're gonna do while true. No. Wait. While true do. Bro. What was that for? Is he impersonator? What? Okay, while true do. Okay. So all the players, they're not going to be able to move. We're not going to give the players the ability to move. So we're going to say game player added connect function player character added connect function character humanoid walk speed 0 character humanoid jump power 0. So you can't move. Where I need realism mod. So we can get rid of reset and shift lock. Also hide player names. Okay. So there we go. So now when we spawn, we're going to need to put the players in just a general area. We're going to call this the main area. And we're going to turn off can't collide. And we're going to say character, humanoid, group part, position, workspace, main area, position. So you're just going to be in like a general sort of area when you join right here. If I could join. Okay, so it turns out we're not going to be in a generated, oh, that's why. Angry Cows, can you ping at everyone in uploads and be like, oh, we only have this much time left. You better get here quick. You know what I mean? Okay. I'm gonna move this down a bit. Oh no. Dynamite. We'll call it dynamite. This is gonna go under the group. Project the vids views will bring? What do you mean? Ads? I hate ads. Sorry, not sorry. Avatar R6. Save changes. Save and restart. Okay. So now we are R6. Perfect. And now we're gonna make a status. And this is gonna be text label. This is gonna be like this. Maybe like this. And like this. And then in replicated storage, string value, status. They'll go so it'll kind of be like this. On this, we'll call this updater. And now we're gonna say repeat test.wait until gain of players get player. No, repeat test.wait game storage status.text or value is equal to game players get children out of 2 players needed. And then until game players get children is greater than or equal to 2. Okay, so now the players are going to be able to highlight a random 1. So can I just put a highlight in this? Yeah. So how the highlights are going to work, bro, really, is we're not going to have a fill. We're just going to have like an outline like this that snooze fest and close a tab, bro. We're just going to have an outline like this. And then we'll low-key, okay, I think we'll put 1 in all these. And we'll do a click detector in all these as well. Okay. Let's collapse all. Lock in. I know. I gotta start locking in, okay? I gotta start locking in. Okay, we're gonna make a table of already went and still in. Alright, now we're gonna say game replicated storage status value. New round starting. Alright. Not def. Sorry, I'm used to Python. Jeez. Yo, Python's messed me up recently. Change status text. So we're just gonna say status new round starting 4_player in pairs game players get players do player.character then table insert still in player.name players player removing connect function player if table.find already went player.name or table.find. Okay, you know what? Table.remove already went player.name. Bro, nobody is display name distance, bro. If table.find still in player.name table remove still in player name. Okay. Okay, so this kind of removes the players when they leave. Next, we put everybody in, and then what we'll do is we're gonna go. Okay, for I equals 1, game players get children do. So it's gonna repeat for every different player. I'm trying to think. We're just gonna go. Okay, so how this is gonna work is we insert everybody in, and then we're gonna go alphabetically. So for I player in pairs, game players get players do. If player and table.find still in player.name, so they're still in the game, then what we're gonna do is we're gonna insert table insert already went player.name. So ideally now we're gonna pick a random bomb. So nope. Pumps workspace pumps get children random is pumps math that random one pumps return random. So local bomb is bomb. So this will give us a random pump, and local ignite is instance.new folder bomb. Ignite.name equals bomb. So it'll give one of these a random one. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna kind of grant the player the ability to do this. So can select is gonna be false. We're gonna say player.character.can select equals true, and this will allow them to select. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna go through all of this, and we're gonna repeat task.wait until. We're gonna say local pressed is false. This is true then. True pressed equals false. And then we're gonna say we're gonna get this a remote. Oh my gosh, please remote event. This sucks. Triggered. And then we're gonna make a client script that is selector. Local players, game of players, local player, local character, this player.character. So now we're gonna say if character can select value is true then, or character can select changed connect function new if new is true then. For underscore click detector and pairs workspace click to pumps get children do local click is pumps find first child click detector click dot mouse hover enter connect function. We don't really need this, but then we could say pumps highlight enabled is true. We'll go leave it's false, and then click mouse click connect function, and then we can go game replicated storage triggered fire server, and that'll get the specific player that we're looking for. So what we can say is game dot players trigger replicated storage triggered connect 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 function player. We say pressed equals true, and then we just kind of wait, and then pressed equals false, and then local current pump, and then pump. So unfortunately we have to rename all these. Guys, I don't think we're finishing this game in an hour, but this might be the good plot. This might be a good plot for the game. Or for the video. And then current pump is pump. Fire server. Pumps.name. And then we're just going to print pump. No, current pump. So for now we're just going to ignore this. And we're going to test out wait like a very long time. And just see what happens. Okay. Splendid. Repeat test out wait until character 5 or child can select. Stop saying pump? Why? They're pumps. Alright, doesn't matter if can select is not a valid member of. It's right here. Guys, can't select is right there. Oh. Ref. Oh. Okay, who... Do I merch? It's on my group, if you're interested. She's... Oh my gosh. I need a... Oh wait, there we go. So, now it's me, pump 6. And I can only click it once, which is probably fine. So I can only click it once. And then, so we'll select this to false. And then, oh, I need my pathfinding module. And then replicated storage. Simple path. Local path is require. Simple path. Local path is path. Or new path, I guess, is path dot new. This is, I think, where. So I think we'd say player character. And then I think new path run to workspace pumps find first child current pump dot post part, and then new path, I think it's dot finished connect function, and then we can say player dot character set primary part C frame workspace pumps find first child current pump dot post part C frame. So I don't know if that's gonna work because I don't really know how this works. So unfortunately, we have to get into a different game to check this out. But guys, if I don't finish, I'm gonna do like an epic lore scene where it's like, but no, I have to finish this game. You know, I feel like that might be tough. I might gain some aura from it for like a day. Yeah. What's up, Tindleby? So how did this happen? How did this work? Oh, that reached. Let's try this out. I doubt this is gonna work. We're waiting till I can click. Okay. Pump 5. Okay, nothing happens. It's probably normal. Okay, print now. How am I? Kind of stressed. Okay, so we should be moving, but our walk speed is 0. That was some lazy pathfinding. Okay, what if we actually just did like this? Center part. Okay, this is like advanced pathfinding for a reason. Like, this pathfinding is supposed to be advanced, not stupid. This is so bad. They need to rethink this plugin. Guys, I don't think it's gonna happen. I don't think we're gonna make it in time. Especially because my bowel is killing me. Jeez. Guys, my bowel is not going good. Okay, then if okay, now if selected if selected pump find first child bomb, then selected pump bomb destroy, and then we're gonna say, I mean, this person's just gonna die, so it's gonna say workspace dynamite attachment fire enabled is true. Test dot wait like 5, I guess. Explosion instance dot new explosion workspace dynamite, or I guess selected pump. No. Workspace dynamite. Explosion position. Workspace dynamite. Explosion blast radius is like 100. So just bombs. So let's see which one gets chosen. So pump 5 is chosen, which is the blue one. Okay, so it's already selected on accident. Okay. And we're dead. Perfect. So that's just lovely. I'm streaming! Guys, I'm gonna be honest. I have to poop, and I'm not gonna be back before the time ends. I'm sorry. We're just gonna have to be like, we're just gonna have to say I failed. We're just gonna have to stage this video and say that I failed. But this is for the lore of the thing. Wait, I gotta disable the script on this. I would pause the timer, but I also have to go eat. Unfortunately. Not unfortunately, but I have to eat, and also, yeah. Just pause. I can't. I'm gonna finish this game for the video, I guess. Alright, well, time's up. Yeah, we low-key spent the entire time. Alright, alright, guys, alright, so time is up. This is just what we have. Let's see which of these are the bomb. Pump 5 again. Yeah, we really didn't do good in this hour. But, I mean, there's always next time, right, guys? Yeah, that'll make the final cut of the video. So, I'm gonna finish this game for a video. I gotta go use the bathroom. There's gonna be, like, a tough part in the video, but don't worry, guys, don't worry. So, thank you guys for joining. This game will get finished in the video. That'll be up sometime this month. So thank you, everybody. I gotta go eat and use the bathroom before my stomach explodes. Have a good rest of your night. Friday Night Football. Enjoy. And Chiefs. Go. How about them Chiefs? Am I right, guys?
I give